Polygons. Polygons basically are many-sided shapes. And starting with the basic one, let's just jot down so we can look at something here. A three-sided shape. Let's just draw it like this. Here's the number of sides. And then its name, and then its shape. I'll bet you probably know this. Something that has three sides we call a triangle, and its shape basically looks like this. And we need to make sure that we know that. Places that make points when we talk about polygons, what are these things called right here? Places where those sides come to points. You know what that's called there, Keith?
Vertex?
Yeah. It's a vertex. There's a singular one, and vertices is the plural. There are three vertices there. And these little things here, those are obviously the sides, but I'm pretty sure you know that, but just in case. So if something has three sides, it's a triangle. It looks like that. If it has four sides, a lot of people get this one kind of confused. Four-sided shapes are, Laney Kabar? So you're saying this shape here that has four sides of a square? That is a rectangle, but doesn't it have four sides? So not all four-sided shapes are squares. Anybody know the name for four-sided shapes? Brianna? It is a quadrilateral. Anything that has four sides is a quadrilateral. It could be a square. It could be a rectangle. It could be a trapezoid. It could be a shape that doesn't even look like anything. Okay. Anything that has four sides we call it quadrilateral. It's just the way it is. How about five-sided shapes? Anybody? If you're familiar with Washington, D.C., we have a famous building that has five sides. Five-sided shape, Isabel?
Pentagon?
Yep, it's a pentagon. Suppose I should draw a pentagon. Not the easiest thing. Kind of looks like, I don't know, a Chrysler symbol or whatever. You call it birdhouse or whatever. But again, reminding you that anything with five shapes is a pentagon. So this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, that five-sided shape there is also a pentagon, even though it doesn't look like anything. 6 sides. Something with 6 sides, Jade, shoot. You have no idea what 6-sided shape is called? Really? Drew?
Hexagon.
Correct. A hexagon. Best way to draw a hexagon would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do we do as many as 7? Sure we do. 7, 8, 10, and 12, I guess. Number 7. 7 sides is a heptagon. Let's draw him over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know know if there's a real good way to draw a heptagon. Eight-sided shape, our happy-go-lucky stop sign. Its official name is, OJ knows this one.
Octagon.
It is an octagon. Octa. An octagon looks like a stop sign. Line across, on an angle, straight down, angle, angle. And then 10 sides. 10 sides is a decagon.
Kind of like a decade.
Yep, exactly like a decade. A decade is 10 years, a decagon is 10 sides. And then the 12-sided shape the book has is called a dodecagon. 12 sides is a dodecagon. I won't draw those because I don't need to there. Check and see what else they tell you here. Which is not a polygon. By the way, children, a polygon there must be two things to be true to be a polygon. Polygons must be made up of straight lines. They have to be straight lines, and it has to be what we call closed. Okay, which means when you draw a polygon, okay, you can't have that called a polygon because it's got an opening in it. Think about like if there's little ants in it, and if those little ants can get out through any opening, it's not closed. A polygon has to be made for straight lines and be closed. So nothing, this is not a polygon because it has a curved side. That thing over there wasn't when I had it drawn at first because it was open. It has to be closed and it has to have straight sides. Drew?
Why do you think that they don't make a 9-sided shape or an 11-sided shape?
They make them, and they just don't give us the names for them. They make them all the way up to as many as you can. And then two more definitions here, children. These will be